All right, we have a new heavy-duty trampoline from BCAN. This is the heavyweight version, supposed to have a weight limit of 300 pounds. I'm going to get this box open and we'll test it because I happen to weigh 300 pounds. Out of the box. Inside we have our user manual. It sounds like a little bit of hardware. Here we have our skirt. These are going to be the legs. Should be, I think, 6 of these. Yep, there's those. And the same folding pattern as their child version. So, simply unfold here. So unfold here. And then unfold this. And this is going to be pretty taut. There we go. Alright. There is no support bar on this one. Probably because it's designed for adults. Alright, now I got this opened up. Let's go ahead and get this skirt on. You're going to see on the underside of the skirt there are small holes. Those are going to line up with where the legs go. Alright. And of course the last one is going to be sealed. Alright. Remember those legs I was telling you about? Pull off the cap. Screw in the leg. And I'll be back when they're all on. Alright, well, my daughter's got the child version. I've got the full-grown version. Let's go see how she does on both of them. Alright, not a lot of give there for her. A lot more give there. And I guess if it's going to be a 300-pound trampoline, you probably should get a 300-pound dude on it. What do you think? Take it up here? Take it up here?